everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I was in the mood for fall. I want fall to be here. I want crispy, cold air. I want leaves. I want Halloween. Clearly, I want fall. I want fall. I want it now. And it's hotter than a hoochie coochie still where I live. It's like 95 degrees every day, but I can turn my air conditioning really, really low and act like it's fall, and that's exactly what I've been doing here lately. So this is just a really pretty, it's really easy to do a burgundy with a pop of gold eye look. Super, super simple. Of course, you can do your own little variation of anything I do in my videos. You definitely do not have to wear false lashes. You really don't even need the wing. You can just like smudge out black pencil liner and that would look gorgeous as well. There's makeup on everything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and here lately I've been doing a cleaning video or like a bonus video, something, whatever you want to call it, every Sunday. So here lately I've been uploading 4 times a week, and if you don't want to miss one of my new videos, you can always subscribe. It also enters you into my giveaway. I'm currently doing a giveaway for my 100 subscriber mark that I hit. I will have that link down below with a few other videos you guys can check out. And if you subscribe, I'm crazy and I'm doing a giveaway for every 100 subscribers I gain. I think when I'm filming this, I'm actually at like 120 or so. So we're already a fifth of the way to my next giveaway. So I hope you all enjoy it. I'm gonna stop rambling. And also you're gonna hear a lot of background noise because my fiance and my daughter are both home and they're in the living room, which is literally right beside this room. In my old filming setup, I was like across the house, and now I'm like right there with them. I will also, by the way, sorry, I will also have the video linked down below of how I made my fall kind of shifting into Halloween, because there's skulls in there, but I'm pretty sure those skulls are gonna be year-round thing because I'm a spooky bitch. So enjoy the video. I'm so sorry I ramble so much. So you might be able to hear James and Ellie. They're definitely in the living room. So I want like a super warm tone fall eye. I'm in the mood for it. I want it, I need it, I want it, I like it, I want it. Just gonna prime my eyes. I really don't like the process of doing my eye first, but it always turns out looking better. I guess that's the life I'm living now. I am gonna be using this weird, I've never heard of this, Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. Super pretty colors, and I'm gonna go in with cinnamon, which I'm almost certain if you have the Morphe 350 palette that you could easily find a dupe in here. Like, those look pretty close. So I mean, I don't know how I even ended up with this palette, but these I was swatching last night, and these shadows seem to be pretty freaking pigmented. There's not a mirror on this. Like, I never even used the mirrors, but now that I know I don't have one, it's bothering me. It really shouldn't, but it's fine. Now that we've laid down a little bit of a base color, I'm going to go into the Violet Voss Pro palette, and I'm gonna take Wine and Dine, which is like a maroon shade. And we're gonna start building our crease up. Now I'm gonna go in with Poppy from this Ace Beauty palette, and this is like a super pigmented, like honest to God burgundy. Yeah. Now is my much as I hate it, I'm going to try to cut my crease. I hate it. I'll be back. I'm literally not even good at cutting my crease, but it's fine. So I'm wanting, in my mind, this came out perfect. Let's see how good it actually comes out. I'm wanting like a super fall golden burgundy system happening up here. So I'm going to go in with Primrose, which is just this super pretty bronzy gold shade. Holy shit. That's not wet or anything. I've never used this palette and I don't know why. I don't know how I ended up with it. That is super pretty. I don't know if it's translating on screen, but Real Life Chronicles. That is pretty. And now I want us to be dark. I want it to be, you know, I want it fall. So I'm gonna take more of the poppy shade, which is this burgundy, and really just work that into my crease. And kind of blur this out a little bit over here. I don't know if I like this or not. I'm gonna mix Wine and Dine and Poppy. This is almost Harry Potter Gryffindor style right here, which I've been thinking about doing 4 Harry Potter looks, one for each of the houses, because I'm a Potterhead from like way back. I can't decide if I want to do it or not though. I struggle. So now I'm going to go back into the Violet Voss Pro palette, and I'm going to take Teddy Bear, which is this super plummy plum shade. I'm just going to deepen right at my crease in the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit more of Primrose, which was this gold, just to make sure we don't lose it in here. I was going through my makeup last night, like, you know, seeing what I had, what I didn't have, what I wanted to use, what was old, and I found a ton of these little liner pins, because I'm always using my Physicians Formula, which is in here somewhere, and like I don't store them how they recommend for these to be stored. They're supposed to be stored, you know, upside down, like vertically, and I just have these laying in my drawer, and I definitely forgot I even had them. So I'm gonna be using them today because I used them all last night and none of them were even remotely dried out. So I think today to do my wing, I'm gonna take the Ciate Fierce Flicks. I'm sorry, that was a good name. Fierce Flicks liquid liner pen, and we're gonna do a little wing here. We're gonna wing it out. I'll be back. Did that wing actually come out okay? It looks like it did. Okay, I'm going to hop up of here, do my other eye, clean up all this fallout, do my face makeup, and then we're gonna be back to do the lower lash line and the lips. For mascara today, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I ordered this as soon as it launched, was so excited for it, and have not really used it that much because I've been distracted. I've been distracted for my love with the false lashes from Essence, but let me get off here, do the other eye, do my face makeup, get it going in here. Okay, so I applied my face makeup, the other eye, and all I did was put on some of the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, but I wanted to come back to do my lower lash line, tell you what lashes I'm gonna put on and all that, and the lip. Okay, so I'm going to go in with just a little smudgy brush and Poppy from this Ace Beauty palette. I actually really have, I've only used 3 shades in here so far, but I like this. James totally has Winnie the Pooh blasting in the living room. So, sorry if you guys hear Winnie the Pooh. Okay, and I'm gonna try this. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but this is the Wet n Wild multi-stick in Keep Diggin'. It's just like a gold. It swatches super pretty, so I'm going to attempt to put this into my waterline. A little bit, maybe. I mean, it's definitely showing up, it's just not popping, but that's fine, I guess. Sorry y'all, I'm putting all my stuff in my little bin so I don't forget to. I'm not gonna be linking anything anymore, but I'm going to list it, because linking is like destroying my whole existence. I also will have the blush. Yeah, I'm trying to start wearing blush more. I don't normally do that, but I will also have the blush and the highlight I'm wearing. All I'm gonna do now is put on some of the Essence False Lashes mascara on my lower lash line. The Damn Girl mascara is actually decent. It's not my favorite. I definitely prefer this over it. But that brush is way too big to do my bottom lashes, so I'm gonna do my bottom lashes with this, and then I'm gonna throw on Ardell Demi Wispies. They're down here. And we'll be back to do a lip. I'm just gonna go over my false lashes a little bit to blend them. So I'm gonna be taking the Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner in Ravish and the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Video Vixen, and I'm probably gonna speed this up. I did not say it, but I did prep my lips with Blistex lip serum and the Jeffree Star Velour lip scrub. Are done, guys. I really like how this came out. Really, the only thing I have left to do is some setting spray. I'm going to use Maybeline Lasting Fix. Yeah, I really like how this came out. I'm not saying, except for my uneven mother lips. They've never been even though. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so freaking ready for fall to be here. Give this a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel. I will have all the products I used listed down below. I'll also have my Instagram link and a few other links to videos on my channel that you might like to check out. I will also have my giveaway video linked down below. I am currently doing my 100 subscriber giveaway. It ends on the 31st of August. It ends in a few days, so go subscribe and see what else you need to do to be entered to win 3 ColourPop monochromatic palettes. I think that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My hair is doing some strange things today. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.